name is Sheri Nielsen, and I specialize in men and women's hair replacement and traditional hair extensions. I actually went to cosmetology school while I was in high school. I started doing hair when I was 17. If our hair looks bad, we feel bad. Specializing in hair loss, I get to work with women who have suffered from hair loss. They feel like they can't live life because they don't feel comfortable in their own skin. What I do is I give them a full head of hair in the colors that they choose that doesn't come off. It's much more comfortable than a wig. It looks much more natural than a wig. They can do all the things and just live life like in ways that they can't in a wig. I take a mesh and create a base integrating their natural hair, and it's to that base that fits perfectly to their scalp that I stitch the hair to build this system. And each system is completely built for that individual person. So the amount of hair we decide together, if there's hair enough in the back for us to integrate and just use their hair, then we'll only do the top. There are so many different levels to the system and so many different options as far as install that we're just not limited. They come in and they do a consultation with me, and I see really what their natural hair looks like. And then together we decide how much hair they're gonna need and what colors we're gonna use. And we pick it all together. They're very, very much involved in everything that we do to give them this system and help them love what they see again. So I'm stitching everything into the mesh. It starts with a top closure. We're not limited in color at all as far as the mesh integration goes. I can get, even the closure has more than one color in it. With crystal, we layered colors because that's the best way to create the balayage appearance. It's a big trend right now. The balayage is a big trend. We layer different colors, so we'll use different color wefts, and we're not limited to how many different colors we can use in the wefts either. It really depends on how detailed the system will be and how much hair they need. Look at her. My why is what you saw. My why is when they leave here and they say, I'm gonna go to the gym now. I'm gonna go camping. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna live life because I haven't been. That is my why. I cry every time they do something like that. I have had clients who have left and they've gone and started dating, and they didn't have the confidence to do that before they had their hair. I have had clients who have gone and applied for the promotion that they wanted, but they never would have done it before because they didn't have the confidence or the courage to do it. And they feel like themselves again. Whatever it was that caused the hair loss or whatever it was, the trauma or whatever, they feel like they've conquered it. We're here to make it a better place. This is where I feel like I can excel in doing that. It's pure gratitude, having the ability to give this gift to people. It's off the charts.